Tennessee Hot Chicken has made its way into Chicago, and it's now a chain, and it's taking over the South Side. So, let's talk food. This chicken sandwich is on the South Side. It's in many places in Chicago. It's in a lot of neighborhoods now. It's become a chain. And when you talk about fried chicken sandwiches, it tends to be like Popeyes and Burger King has one, KFC has one, all these chain places in the States have one, but I promise you that this is the best chicken sandwich that I have ever had and consistently ever get. They never screw it up, they never get it wrong, and it's always the best. And they put it in this great wrapper. The bread is a brioche bun. You can see what they call coupe sauce on it. I get the chicken and cheese. If you want Tennessee Hot Chicken with the coleslaw and the pickles on it, it's still great. It's awesome. And then you can see, oh, the cheese is just everywhere. You can see how thick this chicken is. It's so thick and it's so fresh. You can see the pickles on the bottom, and the bun is so good. And there's so many flavors or spice levels. There's the regular, just everyday classic with no seasoning, but you still get some coupe sauce. And then there's medium, which is fine, and it's not bad. And then you get mild, and it starts to get a little hotter. Then you get hot, and then insanity, and then crazy. And I get hot because it's still hot, and it's still spicy, but it's still enjoyable. But I've never had the insanity or crazy. And you know it's hot when you order hot, and they say, hey, are you sure you want it? Because it's spicy. It's really hot. It's very hot. And I've never seen anybody or talked to anybody that has gotten that level of spice, but I want to go try. I want to give it a go. I didn't today because I wanted to eat my lunch, but I'm just going to give it a go. It's already very spicy. Oh no. It's so hot. But it's such a great combination. Even the American cheese it's American cheese, but it's such a nice coolant to the spice. As you can see, I'm already crying. The pickles are great. I'm one of the people that argues that pickles belong on chicken sandwiches. Oh no. Oh no. But this is not good. But there are people that don't. Oh no. It's so hot. I haven't had one of these in a while. I'm not used to this spice level. This place has been here for a couple of years, 4 or 5 years at this point, and it's kind of just been a consistent staple of places that I go when I want like a really good chicken sandwich. And it's Tennessee Hot Chicken. The founder's from Tennessee. He has started putting these buildings up like they're nothing. It's super popular and super good for a reason, because my mouth is burning and I still want to eat it. I'm praying to God here. That's it. I need a drink. Cut. Oh my God. It's hot. There's real tears coming out of my eyes. My tongue is starting to burn. Do they give me napkins? No. So yeah, remember when I said I wanted to try Crazy and Insanity, the two hottest ones? I think I'd die. I think I'd actually die. It's so hot. Okay. Well, I'm gonna milk, and if you want to see more, like and subscribe for my pain, and hope you guys have a delicious, not spicy meal, and I hope you have a good day. Wow, that's so hot. I'm not hamming it up either, that's really hot. Holy wow.